Hey guys, welcome back to the channel 1-2-Step. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to link your Likee app with Google account or how to sign up account on Likee via Google account. So it's very easy. First of all, you need to have Likee app in your mobile. If you don't have it, just go to Play Store and download it from there. If you are using iOS device, just go to App Store and install it from there. So here I have already downloaded my Likee app. So I'm going to click on this. So now you need to go to your profile, which is in the bottom right corner. Just click on this human shape and go to the top right corner in the 3 button. So now here you can see the settings. Right after that, you have to go to accounts. So now here are many options: change password, linked account, manage device, delete account, or save login info. Just click on the linked account. And you can see here, I've already linked with phone, Facebook. So now it's time for Google. So click on this Google and just continue. So now choose your Gmail account. So I'd like to choose this continuify2@gmail.com. So here the Google account is linked. So in this way, you can just link your Likee app with Google account. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you.